Hello everyone, my name is Victor Miranda and I am a citizen from North Sarchin. My purpose today is to explain some manufacture process to make wood souvenir. So, as a master key for this topic, I would like to portray a quote from the North American author Julia Cameron. This is important because it will clarify your knowledge about this topic. So let's hear it. The creation process is not a process of control, but of dedication. So, in order to a better understanding of this topic, I have divided in three different processes, which are: number one, wood preparation. Number two, artisan skills. And the third one is souvenir distribution. So, it is important also to mention that this presentation is going to last from 5 to 10 minutes. So, I'll be glad to answer your questions at the end of the speech. The reason you have to hear this is because you need to improve your knowledge about artisan's handcraft. So that way you will have a better understanding of what artisan handcraft is, and by instance you are going to have a better customer service. So let's now get into the first process, which is wood preparation. The wood preparation is the way it was arranged. It is related to the way it was stored, the way it was treated, and it has to be with place it in a cool, dry place out of the water and sunlight. So it is important also to save it from termites. The termites are a plague that can easily destroy all of your wood. So be careful with it. I have already talked about the first process, so let's continue with our second process, which is artisan's skills. The artisan's skills are the way that they think, the way that they create. So it is related with our everyday life and their everyday life and their everyday life. It is related also with the way they create new shapes and new souvenir and furniture. They take ideas from situations, from objects, and from activities that they have realized or that they are realizing right now. Let's get an example. Think about picking coffee. The image we have is a person who is carrying a bag of coffee beans. So the artisans take that idea and transform it into a souvenir. So that's why we have a souvenir of a man made of wood carrying a bag of coffee beans. So that was the second process. Let's now continue with our final process, which is souvenir distribution. The souvenir distribution has to do with the way it will be sent to other countries. It is related to the visits of thousands or millions of tourists to our country. They are going to buy souvenirs, and then we have to bring it to other countries outside our region. It could be America, or regions from Asia, Europe, or some like it. So far I have talked about the process and the way they work. So let's now make a summary of every process. Starting with first, wood preparation. Second, artisan skills. And third, souvenirs distribution. As a conclusion, I think we have improved our service skills with this kind of information. Finally, I wish to leave you with a good amount of knowledge. As a final thought, I would like to give you some words of my own that are related to the topic. So, my example is the best way to give an information to somebody is by exemplifying the action yourself. So that's it. I would like to thank you for coming today, and I'll be glad to answer your questions right now.